Okay, so how this works is you screw it on a T-post. It does have to orient a certain way. There's ridges in there to kind of lock it in and prevent it from spinning. And these screws you would think would interfere with your hose, but when you screw them in far enough, they don't, so that's fine. And then if you want a daisy chain, you would unscrew this and screw another one on. For changing your spray pattern, you can move your stops like that. So we can affect how wide of a pattern it does. And then to affect the height of your spray, you just unscrew this, angle this down, angle it up, whatever you want to do, and then tighten it back up. Let's turn it on. This one really soaks the area. It is not a fast sprinkle. It's like really takes its time to do what it's doing, and that's good. I think it really soaks the ground really well. You can just ignore the weeds out here. And how far the water will spray really depends on how much power your water system has and how much flow you have. I'm coming out of a 1/2-inch hose, which is kind of small, so I don't get as much flow out of these. But yeah, it really pushes the water out here. Really soaks the ground. All right, so there you go. T-post mounted sprinkler. Gets everything up and above whatever you're spraying on.